Welcome to Fab Exclusive.
Do you want to learn ethical hacking, but feel confused about where to start?
Many beginners think hacking means typing fast code or breaking systems.
But ethical hacking is actually about protecting systems, not destroying them. In this video, I will show you the 7 most important steps to start ethical hacking in a simple and clear way. No confusion. No complicated words. Just a beginner roadmap. Ethical hacking means finding security problems before criminals find them. Companies hire ethical hackers to test their systems legally. They are also called white hat hackers. Their job is simple. Think like a hacker, but work for security. Before hacking, you must understand how computers talk to each other. Learn basic networking concepts like IP address, router, and servers. If you understand networks, you understand how attacks happen. Most ethical hackers use Linux because it gives more control over the system. You don't need to be an expert. Just learn basic commands like file navigation and installing tools. You don't need to learn many languages. Start with Python. Programming helps you understand automation and how vulnerabilities work. Now learn how attacks actually happen. Understand malware, phishing, passwords, and encryption. This is the foundation of ethical hacking.
Now you can start using tools.
Tools help scan systems and find weaknesses. Examples include network scanners and vulnerability testing tools. Remember, tools don't make you a hacker. Knowledge does. Never practice hacking on real websites without permission. Use legal platforms made for learning. These platforms allow you to practice safely. Once you gain skills, start building your profile.
Create projects. Participate in challenges. Then prepare for certifications and job roles.
Many beginners make 3 mistakes. First, learning tools before basics. Second, expecting quick success. Third, practicing illegally. Always learn step by step. Ethical hacking is not about breaking systems. It is about protecting people and data. Start small, stay consistent, and learn legally. This video is for educational purposes only. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple tech guides.